Visiting Salem, Massachusetts in the fall is like stepping into a Halloween movie. The leaves turn bright shades of color, and the whole town gets decorated with pumpkins, scarecrows, and spooky displays. Salem is famous for the 1692 witch trials, so you can visit historic sites like the Witch House or the Salem Witch Museum to learn what really happened. In October, the town comes alive with parades, costume contests, haunted house tours, and street performers. You can shop for magical souvenirs, see filming locations from Hocus Pocus, and even take ghost tours at night. The mix of colorful fall scenery, fun Halloween events, and fascinating history makes Salem the perfect place to visit during the fall time. Here are the top 10 things you must do when exploring Salem, Massachusetts. Number 1. Visit the Salem Witch Museum. The Salem Witch Museum is one of the best places to visit if you want to truly understand the famous 1692 witch trials in an unforgettable way. Inside, you'll see life-size sets, listen to dramatic storytelling, and watch scenes that bring history to life, showing how fear and misunderstanding led to innocent people being accused of witchcraft. The museum also has exhibits about the changing image of witches over time, from scary stories to friendly characters in books and movies. Visiting feels like stepping back in time. It's even more exciting around Halloween because the town is decorated with pumpkins, autumn leaves, and spooky displays, making the whole experience feel magical and a little mysterious. Number 2. Walk the Salem Heritage Trail. In Salem, the Red Line is part of the Salem Heritage Trail, a painted path on the sidewalks that helps visitors find their way to the city's most important historic sites. The line winds through downtown Salem, passing museums, old buildings, cemeteries, and landmarks connected to the 1692 witch trials and the city's maritime past. By following it, you can take a self-guided walking tour, stopping at places like the Salem Witch Museum, which is known as the Jonathan Corwin House, and is the only building still standing in Salem with direct ties to the witch trials, the old Burying Point Cemetery, and the Salem Maritime National Historic Site. It's like a real-life treasure map, only instead of gold, you're discovering pieces of history scattered throughout the city. Number 3. Visit Old Burying Point Cemetery and Witch Trials Memorial. Located on the Salem Heritage Trail is Salem's oldest cemetery, with graves dating back to 1637, including those connected to the witch trials. It offers a powerful and sobering glimpse into the city's dark history. Walking among these historic tombstones connects you to the people who lived through a time of superstition. Judge John Hawthorne, one of the leading witchcraft trials judges, is also buried there, in a grave on the left of the cemetery, when looking from the front gate. The nearby Witch Trials Memorial serves as a respectful tribute to the 20 individuals who were executed during the trials. Visit during the twilight hours to give yourself some atmospheric ambient photo opportunities. Number 4. Visit the Hocus Pocus filming locations. The Hocus Pocus filming locations tour in Salem is a fun and immersive way to explore the places where the beloved 1993 Halloween movie was brought to life. This tour takes you to several key spots featured in the film, including the iconic Ropes Mansion, also known as Allison's House, Salem Common, a Central Park area seen in various scenes, and Old Town Hall in Derby Square, which is famous in the film for the rendition of Put a Spell on You. Along the way, guides often share behind-the-scenes stories about how the filmmakers chose these locations and fun facts about the cast and crew. On your own, you can visit Pioneer Village, where the opening scenes of the film, featuring Binks as a human prior to his cursing as a cat, were filmed. You can also visit the Hocus Pocus house, known as Max and Danny's house. While the house is a private residence and not open for tours, visitors can often stop by to take photos from the street. The house is located at 4 Ocean Avenue, which is about a mile outside of downtown Salem, right on the ocean. Number 5. Visit the House of Seven Gables. Visiting the House of Seven Gables in the fall is an experience that combines history, literature, and the beauty of autumn. The House of the Seven Gables is best known today as the inspiration for world-renowned American author Nathaniel Hawthorne's 1851 novel. This historic seaside mansion is surrounded by gardens and grounds that burst with vibrant fall colors like fiery reds, oranges, and yellows. As you tour the 17th century rooms filled with antiques, you will learn about the lives of families who lived there. Number 6. Visit America's oldest candy company. Visiting Ye Olde Pepper Candy Company in Salem is a sweet way to step back in time and experience a piece of America's candy-making history. Founded in 1806, it's the oldest candy company in the United States. It is famous for its original recipes like the lemon or peppermint flavored Gibraltars and molasses stick candies called Blackjacks. When you visit, you don't just get to taste delicious handmade sweets like fudge and taffy, you also get to see antique candy-making equipment and learn about the traditional methods still used today. Visitors can explore the shop's nostalgic atmosphere, view antique candy-making equipment, and purchase a variety of handmade sweets, including fudge, taffy, and caramels. The shop remains a beloved destination for those seeking a taste of Salem's sweet history. Number 7. Take a haunted walking tour. Haunted walking tours of Salem are one of the best ways to experience the city's spooky side up close and personal. These guided tours usually take place after dark, winding through Salem's cobblestone streets, historic cemeteries, and eerie alleys while sharing chilling stories about ghosts, witches, and mysterious happenings. You'll hear tales of haunted houses, restless spirits, and the tragic events of the 1692 witch trials that still seem to linger in the air. Many tours use lanterns or flashlights to add to the creepy atmosphere, and some even include stops at famous haunted sites like the Witch House or the Old Burying Point Cemetery. Popular tours include Haunted Footsteps Walking Tour, the original Haunted Salem Tour, or the Salem Night Tour. Whether you're into ghost hunting or just love a good scary story, these walking tours mix history, legend, and spine-tingling fun, making them a must-do when visiting Salem. Number 8. Enjoy a seasonal coffee or pastry. Salem is full of cozy spots perfect for enjoying seasonal coffees and pastries, especially during the crisp fall months. Places like Jaho Coffee is a local favorite, offering expertly brewed pumpkin spice lattes and rich espresso drinks alongside freshly baked pastries that change with the seasons. Gulu Gulu Cafe is another great choice, known for its warm atmosphere and delicious treats like cinnamon rolls and pumpkin muffins that pair perfectly with a hot cup of coffee. Number 9. Shop for spooky souvenirs. If you're looking to shop for spooky souvenirs in Salem, you're in the perfect place. Salem is famous for its witchy vibe, so you'll find plenty of unique stores full of magical and mysterious items. Popular spots like the Coven's Cottage and Emporium 32 offer everything from crystals, tarot cards, and spellbooks to handcrafted jewelry and witch-themed home decor. For those interested in herbs and potions, Artemisia Botanicals has an apothecary feel with teas, oils, and ritual supplies. If you want something truly one of a kind, local artisan shops often sell handmade candles, artwork, and clothing inspired by Salem's spooky history. Number 10. Enjoy the Haunted Happenings Festival. Every October, Salem transforms into a lively and spooky playground filled with parades, costume contests, street performers, live music, and themed events that draw visitors from all over the world. The whole town buzzes with excitement as people dress up in creative costumes, shops and restaurants decorate with pumpkins and cobwebs, and special activities like psychic fairs, haunted house tours, and ghost hunts take place almost everywhere you look. Whether you want to join the festival crowds at the Grand Parade, explore haunted museums, or enjoy family-friendly events during the day, Haunted Happenings offers a unique blend of history, fun, and thrills. It's the perfect time to experience Salem's spooky spirit while enjoying the crisp fall weather and vibrant autumn colors. There are so many things to do in Salem, but visiting the places on this list will make for a completely full and memorable trip. Let me know in the comments if I missed anything, and as always, thank you for watching.